Eventually took the plastic and everything off before I remembered I wanted to do a YouTube video on this. So here is the Zygarde EX, 190 health. That's really good for a regular EX. Three attacks, which is awesome. So I'm gonna pop him out, just lay him down. Oh yeah, I gotta get sleeve. Where the heck did I put them? Oh, right here, right here. Let's put the Yagatoll from the last video. Zygarde. And here's a TCG card.
Yeah.
And now we have 2 Fates Collide boosters, a Breakthrough, and a Roaring Skies. So I'm going to save the best for last, Breakthrough, Fates Collide, and then I'm going to do Roaring Skies first. TCG card?
Yeah.
And here is Bagoon, P-Dove, Nidicina, Swablu, Voltorb, Dragonair, Glade Spirit Link, Shelgon, Reverse Hollow Pikachu, and a non-hollow Shed Ninja. So put those aside. Here's my Fates Collide with Lugia Break on the cover artwork. Here's TCG card.
Yeah.
Then I have Snubbull, Bronzor, Mendocino, Deerling, Carbink, Audino Spirit Link, Wigglytuff, Lassus Special, and a Lucario Stage 1 Hollow, Reverse Hollow, and a Kabutops. So not very good pulls there, but hopefully I can pull some much better cards in my other Fates Collide, and hopefully a break in the breakthrough. Here's my Fates Collide. TCG card.
Yeah.
Then I have Carbink, Riolu,
Yes.
Diglett, Mendocino, Coughing, Cincino, Team Rocket's Handiwork, Wheezing, Reverse Hollow Bronzor, and oh my gosh! Look, I just got an Altaria EX.
And
I need a sleeve. Holy!
And it's also a basic.
Crazy.
A basic. It's a basic.
Wow, so hopefully we can get Mega Altaria. No, not Mega Altaria. What's his name? A Breakthrough in this Breakthrough booster pack. TCG code card?
Yeah.
And I have Pikachu, Magnemite, Cubone, Snubbull, Cacnea, Frogadier, Wobbuffet, Cacturn, Reverse Hollow Abomasnow, and a Staraptor. I really need that Staraptor. Okay, so that is all for today, and I will do the last 10 Zunias later.